Now it's very clear that neural radiance field, it was like facing like the compute challenge, and that was the motivation for new methods. That was the motivation for new methods. The ideal representation should be, so we were looking for 3D representation techniques that should be fast like meshes. We were looking for implicit 3D representation techniques which should be fast like meshes, continuous like neural fields, differentiable like neural networks, memory efficient, and real-time renderable. Unfortunately, neural radiance field, it satisfies only some of these properties, not all. And hence, we did research and we got something called as 3D Gaussian splatting.